Well, welcome to our channel. This is John Glamping with the Gardners. Let me show you a costly mistake I just made last month going to Talona Ridge. Had the opportunity to purchase some rock tamer mud flaps to go on the back of my dually. Unfortunately, they were not designed for a fifth wheel. So please take it some advice from me. If you're thinking about purchasing rock tamers for your fifth wheel, I highly advise not doing that. I'm going to go take you so you can see what's left of the generator door that was broken during the process of my travels. So please stay with me. As you see, there is the other door, and this door is completely destroyed. The rock tamer went right through the door and just disintegrated it. And as you see, the big hole in the bottom there, frame broken off. I had to stop at Lowe's and get some screws and screw it into the frame to secure it in order to get to our destination. I'm in the process of reinstalling the new door on the RV so we can be back in business. This is the new door. So stay tuned and I'll show you the finished product.